Pinkfong. Hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi. Subscribe.
Going Potty with Pinkfong. Pinkfong received a present. What is inside? Is it a boat? Or maybe a bathtub? I have no idea. Just then, bling! Hello, I'm a potty. A shiny potty appeared. Wow! Pinkfong was surprised. When you want to pee or poo, come to me. Meow. I'm going to pee. Roar. I'm going to poo. Hump, hump. How does it feel? It feels great. You should try too, Pinkfong, said the potty. No way! I don't want to. Pinkfong doesn't want to be friends with the potty yet. Suddenly, Pinkfong farted. Toot! Maybe I should go poo. Pinkfong isn't sure what to do. Take a seat on the potty. Poo, poo, poo on the potty. Toot, toot! Wow, that felt good. Pinkfong feels much better after going potty. Good job going potty. Whoosh! Great, you flushed the potty. Round and round, round and round. Goodbye, Pooh. You did it! Well done! Holding it in is not good for you. Let's poo with the potty!
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe!
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.